Welcome back to Beautyistic, your go-to channel for all things beauty. Today, we're diving into the world of hair with the 200% density 30-inch 13x6 deep wave lace front wig. If you're on the hunt for a luxurious, long and curly human hair wig, this product might be just what you're looking for. Let's break it down and see if it lives up to the hype. This wig is made of 100% virgin human hair, boasting a deep wave texture that promises softness, smoothness, and a natural shine. It's pre-plucked with baby hair, ensuring that it looks as natural as possible when installed. The 13x6 HD transparent lace is designed to give you a seamless and breathable fit, providing a natural look that's ideal for a variety of occasions, from weddings to everyday wear. The cap size is a medium fit, between 22 to 22.5 inches, and comes with 4 combs and adjustable straps for a secure installation. When I first tried on this wig, I immediately noticed how soft the hair felt. The deep wave texture is full of body, and it really holds its shape well when wet. Installation was pretty straightforward thanks to the adjustable straps and combs, and I appreciate that it's pre-plucked to give it a more natural appearance right out of the box. I wore the wig for a couple of days, and I found that it didn't shed or tangle as much as some wigs I've tried in the past, which is always a win. It's also nice that it can be styled in a variety of ways. I even straightened it out for a change, and it took the heat pretty well. Now, no product is perfect, so let's talk about the cons. The lace could be a bit thinner for an even more undetectable look, but with proper blending, it still holds up pretty well. Also, depending on your scalp's condition and styling products, you might want to reapply a bit of mousse or water throughout the day to maintain that perfect wave. When it comes to value for money, this wig is priced fairly for the quality it offers. At 200% density, you're getting a lot of hair for the price, which is fantastic if you love a fuller, more voluminous look. Compared to similar wigs on the market, it does stand out in terms of texture and versatility, especially given the pre-plucked baby hairs and the option to restyle it. While it's not the cheapest wig out there, it offers a good balance of quality and price for those looking to invest in something a bit more luxurious. In terms of build quality, the materials used feel premium. The lace itself is breathable, and the wig cap is snug yet comfortable. I've used a number of wigs over the years, and this one feels sturdy without being heavy. I haven't had it long enough to speak on long-term durability, but based on its initial quality, it seems like it will hold up well with proper care. If you're considering alternatives, there are plenty of wigs in this price range, but what makes this one unique is the 13x6 HD lace, the 200% density, and the natural deep wave texture. Other wigs might offer similar features, but this one stands out in terms of texture, comfort, and overall look. To wrap it up, if you're after a natural-looking, versatile wig that you can wear to various events or just for everyday use, this 200% density 30-inch 13x6 deep wave lace front wig is a solid choice. It delivers on the promise of softness, smoothness, and style. And while there are a few minor tweaks to consider, it's a high-quality option that won't disappoint. If this review was useful to you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon so other wig lovers can find this video too. Thanks for watching, and if you're curious about this wig or already own it, drop your thoughts in the comments below. The link to get it is in the description. Until next time, keep looking fabulous, and stay tuned for more from Beautyistic.